Welcome to the second part of this amazing Gulasch trilogy. Today, we're gonna do Gulasch, but in the microwave. So for this one, I recommended that around 4 minutes for 750 watts. We have 800 of them watts, so we gotta put in for 3 and like 40 seconds or 50 seconds. Probably 50 because I want to do 45. We're gonna have habanero sauce, like much stronger, because I like it that way, because then I can cry when I eat. So we're gonna put in our goulash in here. You're not supposed to put that in, by the way, that's a mistake. There's our goulash. I'm gonna grab a spoon as well. I forgot to do that. I'm gonna grab a really big spoon. I'm gonna be eating that one. I know at least one person has really been awaiting another cooking episode, so this is perfect for him. We have our goulash. We're not gonna put the hot sauce in right now, we'll do that afterwards. So we have our spoon, our Tabasco, and our goulash. So we're gonna open up our shitty little microwave. Put it right in there, and then we're gonna put this on, like so. We're gonna take this, the P100, 800 watts, click it again, and we're gonna do 3 minutes and 50 seconds. So while we're waiting for this, you might wonder, why do you like goulash? Well, because you see, it's easy to make. You put it in for 4 minutes, and you get good food. It's not like noodles and stuff. Like this is probably equally shit and bad for you, but you feel a bit better when you're eating goulash. I even have another can here of goulash because goulash. It's very good. It's a staple of dinner etiquette. People can put noodles in a cup, they can put rice in a thing. We have noodles. We have fucking curry cup, but you don't need to add water for them. This is the real deal. This is dinner, but you only have to warm it up. So it's already dinner. So some half-made water added adjective shit. Hey, this is goulash. This is the real shit. This is Austria. You might know Austria for a lot of things. Beautiful cities, culture. Starting a world war and then making the other person pay for it. It's kind of like that friend that you have. That you're always good friends with, but when some shit happens, when something goes down, they'll leave you in the trash. That's kind of Austria, So goulash is the same way. When you eat it, it's good, it's nice, but then it's gone, because you ate it all, and then it just leaves you there, more hungry, wishing for more. You shall never get. Because you're poor enough to eat goulash. You probably don't have enough money for 2 cans, but I'm an exception to this rule, you see, because goulash is good and goulash it makes you strong, it makes you feel good. We're actually going to pop it out at 1 minute 30 seconds, we can stir it, because otherwise we'll get like a burned rim around the plate. So, microwave food, when microwaves were very new, fun fact, people were making a shit ton of recipes for microwaves, they were actually really good. The problem is they took often, compared to a meal that might take like 20 minutes to make, it'll take up to around an hour, simply because how they do it was that you'd have to take it out constantly, stir it, take it out, stir it, to not make it burn, right? If that makes sense. So you can't actually make good food in a microwave. It says it's inefficient and it'll take more time than it actually does to just do it in a pot or anything else. So it's really not. I'm gonna wash this off, by the way. So microwave gets a lot of bad rep for being like a bad thing to make food with, which is not entirely true. It's just inconvenient but also convenient because you have one thing to cook everything on, right? You don't have like You know, you might need different pots, different utensils, like that, but it takes a much longer time. It's like sous vide food is probably the best example. It's something that is extremely easy to do and tastes extremely good, but you know, you have to wait a long time. The microwave, you don't really get better taste, you just get the same taste, but it takes longer, so it's not really the same thing. But example, you know, so microwave is good, but yeah, they're bad at it because, as we all know, some chefs in actual kitchens try to use the microwave to heat shit up. That's not like no, you burn out the water. If I remember, it becomes dry and it becomes bad, and it changes stuff. Not good. So you know, we're down to. I think I was gonna pop it out when it was 5 seconds left or something. I can hear it in there. This might be a bit too long to have it in for, but. Gulasch. You know, you don't have to say, oh, a nice meal, a good meal. Oh god, look at it. It's like it's in the pot over there already, you know. Also, it's like fucking Satan sauce, but. So I'm actually gonna grab a cutting board to get this out on. No, actually, we're just gonna use. I'm actually just gonna use this, but because I don't want to grab it, because it's gonna be really fucking hot. God, is this? And also, if you do it in the microwave, you're gonna have a fucking pain in the ass is getting it out of there. Because, you know, any hot food will also heat up the plate. We're gonna wash this later, but for now, we're just gonna put this in. So again, this is habanero sauce. It's supposed to be pretty hot compared to the other one. You know, it'll make you eat a bit slower as well, so you won't. Fun fact: pigs is funny enough one of the only animals that don't like overeat. Which might actually be the case since they can eat anything, so they actually have to have like a biological limit not to overeat, because most other animals will actually do that. Like I think horses will, for example, they overeat and they get fat and die, but pigs, funnily enough, they don't overeat. So yeah, we're just gonna stir that in there. You know, the problem with cooking here as well is you get this burned rim that looks really fucking disgusting. Like, I would not eat any. If anyone made microwave food to me, I would not trust it, because I would think they'd fucking, I don't know what. You know, so yeah, goulash. So, compared to the other one, of course, this one does not look as good, but that's the main difference when it comes to color is simply because the other one, with creme fraiche, it's smoking, if you can see that. It looks hot, it is hot, in 2 different ways, but, and that was goulash. And thank you for watching. If you'd like another video on like how to make different kinds of food, just recommend something that you know exists in Sweden, of course, because I live in Sweden. You can just check up like Swedish stores and see if they have it there. I can, you know, cook it and try all different ways to cook it. I can try a little different things. I can add that creme fraiche. I know that one. Curry. Hot sauce. You know. Thanks for watching. That was the end of the Gulasch trilogy. Maybe it'll be a third part. Don't know yet. But thank you for watching. Remember, your microwave isn't shit. It's actually pretty good. And also the quote of the day, of course, is we need is that microwaves might seem shit, but it's kind of like life. Probably isn't, except when it is. So you know, good meaning there. So thank you for watching and have a good day. Remember, eat your goulash. Bye bye.